As you see, the cat has now stolen my bed, so I don't know what to do. I'm really tired and I don't know what to do, but I guess I have to go get my coffee. So I'll see you in a moment. I'll just go get my cup of coffee. So let's hope I can wake in that way. Sometimes it's really irriterende, når katten steal my bed, so I can't sleep. It does sometimes. So now we are going to open the julekalender, and I hope I can wake up in that way. But let's drink some coffee. Let's see what's in it, the julekalender. Number 8. It seems like there is a booster. Oh, it's Journey Together. Yes. Now let's see what's in it. And somehow the it says right here. It says fun pack. So, and it says 3 additional game cards. It doesn't seem there is a lot of kort i det her, den her booster, så lad os kigge hvad der er i den. Okay, let's see, what shall we say? Metal. What? How could that be? Let's kigge. That was pretty boring. Yeah. But there was a card that I brug for, so that's good. I'll just move over to the instrument i hvert fald and play a little for you.